Hey everybody, sorry I'm wearing my Mickey Mouse pajamas. I'm here to share with you guys what is new on Saving Star. A lot of you guys really enjoy these kind of deals. So here they got Lamisil. I don't think I'm going to ever get that, but I'm just going to add it because you never know if you can ever find a great deal. It's hard to do this behind my camera. I don't want this. Okay. So here we got Garnier Nutrice. Why is this doing this? Quilted Northern, Dixie. I swear the Oreo bars are on Checkout 51, so I'm not adding that deal for certain reasons. Because if your guys' Checkout 51 says 0, most likely you added it on your offer on Saving Star, and I prefer to get money more from Checkout 51 because if it resets, it resets. Saving Star, you can only do the deal once. So I just wanted to share with you guys. But I do feel that Saving Star has not had any great deals lately. I mean, this is all that I have. And a lot of this stuff's been the same. Like, they've only added like 2 or 3 deals. And I think it's stupid that their threshold is only $20 and they barely have any good deals. So, I don't know. Saving Star is kind of failing. Just letting you guys know on that. But I just want to show you that's what I have. So make sure you guys check it. You guys might have different things. And I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.